So for question number 12, it tells us in this question, n is greater than equal 6. Use an algebraic method to show that this equation can be written as this one. Okay. So we'll just use the formulas of factorials. So we know minus. So that would give us n factorial divided by 5 factorial into n minus 5 factorial, n minus 1 factorial, 5 factorial, n minus 1 minus 5 factorial. So from this, we can write it as n factorial, f factorial, n minus 5 factorial minus n minus 1 factorial, 5 factorial, n minus 6 factorial. Now we have to carry out LCM, but before that we need to find the common denominator. So the common denominators would be, I can just simply write this as n into n minus 1 factorial minus n minus 5 n minus 1 factorial divided by 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial. So if we LCM it, we get this part. Now what we will do is we'll just try to factor out n minus 1 factorial from the numerator. So the next step would be n minus 1 factorial n minus 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial. So that gives us n minus 1 factorial into 5, and we end up with 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial. So the final step is to just write 5 into n minus 1 factorial, and we know 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial into n minus 5 factorial. So we can just divide 5 out. We end up with n minus 1 factorial divided by 4 factorial into n minus 5 factorial, which is our final answer, as in n minus 1 combination 4. That's your answer for question number 12, and this is the last question of this paper.